Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into TQQQ. We previously shared an overview on our website back on Friday, December 15, 2023. Now, we're excited to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To make sure you never miss any of our important updates, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. By staying connected, you'll stay informed about any potential market shifts that could impact your investments. Looking to make more informed trading decisions? We've got you covered with our brand new AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Discover the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified TQQQ as a strong buy candidate with a score of 6.13. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 35.65% since we first recommended TQQQ as a buy candidate 31 days ago. This means an average return of 1.15% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The ETF is currently in a strong rising trend, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders as it may react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks above the top trend line at $51.71, it could indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 29.79% change anticipated over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges between -1.28% and 36.29%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 83.86% change over the next year, with a potential return between 28.89% and 113.94%. This means the price could range from $63.47 to $105.35 after a year. Our latest update on the TQQQ ETF reveals a stronger technical forecast for its price after Friday's trading session. On Friday, December 15, 2023, the TQQQ ETF price increased by 1.19%, moving from $48.66 to $49.24. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 2.2%, with a low of $48.72 and a high of $49.79. It's worth noting that the price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, showing a growth of 11.3% over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded decreased by 23 million on the last day, with a total of 78 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.83 billion. Keep in mind that a decline in volume while prices are increasing can indicate a divergence and serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the ETF was $49.79, while the lowest was $16.10. At present, the price is 1.1% or $0.550 below the 52-week high, and 74.2% or $141.64 below the all-time high on January 8, 2021, when it reached $190.88. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the signals for TQQQ, an ETF in focus. The TQQQ ETF has shown promising signs as both short and long-term moving averages point to a buy signal. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals supports the buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock may find support at $46.97 and $41.95. However, crossing below these levels could trigger sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a significant rise of 59.56% so far. This suggests that the stock may continue to rise until a new top pivot is identified. It's worth noting that despite the price gains, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the ETF's performance. Additionally, there have been some negative signals that could potentially impact the near short-term development. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Today, we'll be discussing some interesting signals that you should keep an eye on. Let's dive in. First up, we have the moving average convergence divergence signal, which indicates a sell signal. Next, we have the pivot signal, which gave a buy signal 36 days ago. The Bollinger signal also gave a buy signal 1 day ago. Moving on to the short-term moving average signal, it gave a buy signal 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average signal gave a buy signal 32 days ago. It's also worth noting that the relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 28 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for further insights. The short moving average signal showed a sell signal 9 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average signal gave a buy signal 26 days ago. Similarly, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. If you're interested in exploring more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for TQQQ. Let's start with the downside. The ETF currently has support levels just below today's price at $44.40 and $44.24. When an ETF tests a support level, there is always a risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may potentially fall to the next support level. In this case, if $44.40 is broken, the next support levels will be at $44.24 and $37.35. Moving on to risk assessment. TQQQ has average daily movements and a good trading volume, indicating a medium level of risk. In the past day, the ETF had a price range of $1.07 or 2.2% between the high and low. Over the past week, the daily average volatility of the ETF has been 3.53%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for TQQQ. When analyzing the stock, we notice that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This indicates that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such cases, it's important to enter a position and use volume as an indicator to determine the appropriate exit point. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $44.40. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound in the stock's price. Our recommended stop-loss for this ETF is set at $47.76 with a decrease of 3%. This ETF experiences medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was discovered 35 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? TQQQ holds several positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels, with further gains expected over the next 3 months. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a strong buy candidate. Based on our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Monday, December 18th, we anticipate TQQQ to open up at $49.25, an increase of $0.0100. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise speaking with a qualified financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the ETF? We're eager to hear from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. May your trading endeavors be successful, and have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.